Using at for exact times. Use at with exact times and some fixed time expressions. Example: the bus leaves at 8 o'clock. Example: we eat lunch at noon. Example: she studies at night. Use at with the weekend in British English. In American English, people often say on the weekend. Example: I visit my grandmother at the weekend. Example: we play soccer on the weekend. Using on for days and dates. Use on with days of the week and specific dates. Example: I have English class on Monday. Example: her birthday is on May 5th. Use on with special days when you mean one exact day. Example: we open presents on Christmas Day. Example: they have a picnic on Sunday afternoon. Using in for longer periods. Use in with months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. Example: the flowers grow in spring. Example: we travel in July. Example: he was born in 2012. Say in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, but say at night. Example: I drink coffee in the morning. Example: the children play in the afternoon. Example: the stars shine at night. Using from, to, until, and by. Use from and to show the start and end of a time period. Example: the shop is open from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Example: the lesson is from Monday to Friday. Use until for the time something stops. Use by for the latest possible time. Example: I work until 5 o'clock. Example: please arrive by 5:00. Using for and since. Use for with a length of time, like 2 hours or 3 days. Example: she reads for 1 hour. Example: they stay in Madrid for 3 days. Use since with the starting point of a time period. Example: I have lived here since 2020. Example. He has played tennis since March. Using before, after, and during. Use before for an earlier time and after for a later time. Example. Brush your teeth before bed. Example. We eat cake after dinner. Use during when something happens inside a period or event. Example. Please be quiet during the movie. Example. She takes notes during class. Examples. The train arrives at 7:30. My brother plays basketball on Tuesday. We go to the beach in August. The museum closes at 6 o'clock. They visit us on New Year's Day. The park is beautiful in autumn. I call my mother in the evening. The baby sleeps for 2 hours. We have lived in this house since 2021. The library is open from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Finish your homework by Friday. The children stay outside until sunset. I wash my hands before lunch. We watch TV after school. Nobody talks during the test. Quiz. Choose an option. At 9 o'clock. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. Choose an option. On Wednesday. My art class is on Wednesday. Choose an option. In summer. We swim in summer. Choose an option. At 6:30. She gets up at 6:30. Choose an option. On April 12th. The party is on April 12th. Choose an option. In the morning. I read in the morning. Choose an option. From 12x to 10x. The restaurant is open from 12 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Choose an option. Until 3 o'clock. Please wait until 3 o'clock. Choose an option. By noon. Send the email by noon. Choose an option. For 2 hours. They study for 2 hours. Choose an option. Since 2019. I have known Anna since 2019. Choose an option. After work. We eat dinner after work. Choose an option. During class. Turn off your phone during class. Choose an option. At night. The movie starts at night. Choose an option. Before dinner. Wash the fruit before dinner.